Welcome to the Triangle Fastener Product Information Counter. As the largest supplier of metal fasteners and screws in the construction industry, we want to make sure that you have quick access to the information you need to correctly match the right fastener to your job. This video is designed to provide essential product features and helpful tips that you can access online anytime. Today we're going to talk about Triangle Fastener's BLAZER self-drilling screws. These high-quality self-drilling screws are designed with stringent quality controls that meet and exceed construction industry standards for dimensional and performance requirements and conformance. BLAZER self-drilling carbon steel and stainless steel screws are available in a wide variety of sizes and materials, with diameters up to 5/16 inches and lengths up to 10 inches for use with most applications. If you need to attach wood to steel, we offer sizes specifically engineered to attach the wood without the need for pre-drilling. If your job calls for tamper-proof fasteners to attach to a wall or roof panel, check out these tamper-proof fastener sizes designed for lap or structural connections. Here are some helpful tips for using the BLAZER drill screw. The length of a BLAZER drill screw should allow at least 3 full threads extended beyond the bottom of the substrate. This will assure optimal pullout. You can select the correct length of the screw by first determining the thickness of all of the material being fastened. Next, select a screw size that has load-bearing length greater than the materials being fastened, or what is referred to as the attachment thickness. If you want to learn more about Triangle Fastener's BLAZER self-drilling screws, you can access our BLAZER fact sheet online at trianglefastener.com.